Well, hello YouTube, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft, back with you friends. I'm back out in the bush. I'm back up here at South Mountain, just above First Water, friends. I'm not going all the way into Rock House. I'm gonna stop right here today, cut my hike a little bit short. I brought a big old huge fat pine knot from a fallen conifer tree from up in northern Arizona, and I'm gonna let you take a look at this piece of fat wood. It's a fat wood pine knot. Let's build a fire. Stay tuned. Oh wait, friends, look at this. This is a fat wood pine knot. This used to be a branch coming out. There's a branch coming out right here. But I wish you guys could smell this and feel how heavy. It is super, super heavy. Full of fat wood. Beautiful orange. Look at that. We're going to get the saw blade out and we're going to cut a piece of this off. Save the sawdust and see if it'll take a ferro rod spark. Fat wood sawdust coming up. Use the old Mora knife. Big old ferro rod. This is what I'm looking for here. This silky saw. Let's get this guy set up. Gone boy. Look at that, friends. That's the Silky brand Gone Boy. Love this saw. Okay, friends. Ooh wee. Look at that. Especially on this side. Look at all that. Ooh wee, that smells good. But that's a piece of fat wood. We cut off of this pine knot. We're gonna see if we can get a ferro rod spark to light up that sawdust. what gives you plenty of time to get your smalls on there, friends. Fatwood, that's that liquid gold. Alright friends, there you have it. That's that fatwood pine knot. Alright friends, there you have it. That's that pine knot full of fatwood, or the sap or the blood of the tree that circulates throughout the whole tree. When they fall or when they die, all the blood runs back down into the knots of the branches. You just see me cut a piece off. We lit that sawdust up with the ferro rod. But this is going to be a nice fatwood bearing block for a bow drill set. We'll save that. And stay tuned for further videos, friends. We'll do one on fatwood scrapings, fatwood shavings. If you don't know what fatwood is, get out there in those pine tree forests and look for some solid, hard as rock wood that's on a fallen tree that's been deteriorated. Lots of fun. Very, very good to have on hand. Fatwood, friends. Look it up and get out in the bush. All right. Before you leave the channel, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, bang that bell icon in the drop-down menu. Do select all, friends. I appreciate everything you do for the channel, all your views, all your likes, your shares, but most importantly, all your comments. Leave me a comment. And if you like what we're doing here at General Pat Bushcraft, give the video a thumbs up, friends. Please, please don't depart from the faith. And for those of you out there that haven't already, give your life to Christ today, friends. He died on the cross for you. He loves you very much. Don't wait. You don't have to get cleaned up first. Come as you are. Do it today. Don't wait. And, as always, God is good. God is great. I see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.